In this video, I'll show you how to add a custom name in Mailchimp. Once you are on your Mailchimp account, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. And at the bottom, click on the second option, which is Campaigns. Now, once you are on the campaign section, what you need to do is simply head over to the campaign in which you want to edit. This will be my Canva design. Now, on the right-hand side of that campaign, head over to the action section. And at the bottom, click on the edit button. Now, that will automatically take you to the preview of your campaign. To add a custom name, what you can do is add a custom name to from. So from is what the audience will see whenever you send the email. So on the left-hand side, click on the second option, which is from. And at the bottom, this is where you can add a custom name. In here, I have set it as Tessarina. You can also add a random name. Let's say Tessarina events and emails as an example. On the top and the right corner, you will see that you have a maximum of 96. And at the bottom, this is a recommendation to use something recognizable like a company name. So at the bottom, if we click on save, that will automatically be set as the name of from. What you can also do is change your default from name. So on the left-hand side, head over to the audience section, which is the sixth option. Now, that will show you the list of all of your contacts. From here, you want to head over to the top bar. On the right-hand side, click on the three dots for more actions. And at the bottom, click on the first option, which is audience settings. Now, that will automatically take you to audience settings. From here, you want to head over to the email settings. Now, in here, we have our default from name. So on the right-hand side, you can simply edit this. Mine is set as Tessarina. But if we click on edit beside the name, a pop-up will show. From here, you can set your default from name so you won't change it from whenever you create a campaign. Let's say that this will be Tessarina events and emails. And at the top in the right corner, you will have an option that this is set as a maximum of 100. So at the bottom, click on save from name. That will automatically set that name as your default name. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.